Hi, I'm Anjana Naskar from Impact Magazine. Today we have with us two incredibly talented creatives who will be representing India at this year's Cannes Festival. Sachi Shriyan and Twisha Pandya from Densu Creative Web Chutney. Thank you so much guys for joining us and a big congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
So guys, tell us, how excited are you for Cannes this year?
We're extremely excited. I think
Yeah.
you could see from our faces how
Yeah.
excited we are.
Every single day we walk into office, we look at each other and the excitement just comes back.
Yeah.
Okay. And also tell us about the brief that was given to you during the jury meet, and like what was the idea that became your final winning moment?
So the brief was about how to make second-hand fashion cool and like accessible, and to make second-hand fashion the trend basically. And what about how we
So our idea from that, what we wanted to do was something very disruptive and something that had like a lot of long-term impact. So together we came up with the idea of the slash, and then we just ran with it.
yeah.
Okay. And what was Slash exactly?
Yeah. So the idea was to slash through how everyone's been shopping currently and how it's all about fast fashion, and to like really bring equal opportunity, equal impact and equal visibility to thrifting.
Okay. So, guys, digital is such a wide playground. There's social media, there's tech-enabled activations that's happening today. How did you guys decide, which format or which platform your idea would live on?
So, we both are from this generation, from this digital generation. So, like this campaign, like this whole brief was very relatable to us. So, like even about the platforms or the idea, we thought, ki, where would we go? Where would people like us? Where would we shop? So that's how we, dealt with the whole process.
Yeah.
Okay. And digital in India, like digital as a category in India was introduced for the first time. How does it feel to be, the first creatives to represent in the digital category this year?
Insane. I mean, we're so grateful, but we're equally scared, and
Yeah.
it's a huge responsibility and a huge platform. So we really hope we can do it justice.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you think you both complement each other?
I feel I'm a art director, she's a copywriter,
Yeah.
but then when you look at us, you wouldn't be able to make out like who's a copywriter, who's an art person, like because we both have the I think knack for both the
Yeah.
departments. So I think that's how we work. And then her mind just races, like she has a lot of ideas. So like what I do is like I try to like keep up with her and then like pick the best ideas or what could work out, like if this would work out, if you work around something around that too. You just work around it.
Yeah, I think what I really loved about working with Sachi is she fully matched me with like intensity. I would be like, let's practice once more, and she would be like, no, why once? Let's do it 5 times. There was never a point where we were tired or we gave up or we said, no, this is not working. We were both in for it, and yeah, it was a lot of fun actually.
Yeah.
Okay. So now moving on to the jury process and the jury, the day of your presentation, some light questions. So who do you think was the most, scary or the most, most caring jury from the lot?
All of them, I think.
Yeah, because I mean they were all very welcoming, and then when we when we were presenting, also they were like being very responsive. So I think everyone was like warm and
Yeah,
caring.
and they were also interested in what we
Yeah.
had to say, and they really gave us the space to say what we had to say, and we
So
loved that.
basically when we entered the room, we immediately felt very comfortable. So
Yeah.
That's really great. So what excites you most about the future of digital creativity in India currently?
I feel like India has so much to offer, and even technology and digital, we have so many things, and I'm really excited to like what different forms of digital platforms India will be exploring ahead, and yeah.
Yeah, same.
Okay. So looking ahead, what does this mean to you both, professionally as well as personally?
I think so much has changed for us, and maybe so much that we don't even realize, right? The way we talk has changed, the way we look at people has changed, the way we approach ideas has changed, and it's been such a transformative process already. So we don't know what will happen in Cannes, but whatever it will be, we know that it'll change us maybe for our life. So yeah, we're very excited.
And professionally also, I think we'll get to meet a lot of like creative minds and creative people around there. So it's going to give us a lot more exposure. So we're excited for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lastly, what kind of work do you want to create more, going forward in the future?
I mean, it's been my dream to like, I know it sounds like far-fetched, but then I would want to like create more like social campaigns like for the society, like bring some change, even like use the technology or something, but then like basically campaigns and creating ideas for the society.
Yeah, I think mine is very different. I want to do a lot of like dirty advertising where I want to like advertise in like trains, local trains, like maybe can I do something next to the gutter, like the places that you don't think an ad could be, because like clean advertising is the norm. So something like that, but we'll see.
You don't want to reveal your secrets? Okay, thank you so much guys. It was lovely speaking to you.
Thank you.
And all the
Thank you.
best for CANS. Make India proud.
Thank you.